y'all. Welcome to Heritage Ways, and I'm Miss Katie. Today is Pancake Day at our house. If you have purchased our cookbook from Katie's Kitchen Volume 1, then you know that every day for the past years, 20-something years, we have or try to have a certain item every day of the week. And that's really been beneficial. I'm not a morning person, and believe it or not, I don't even love to cook in the mornings, and I don't even care for pancakes that much. But Wednesday has always been pancake morning for 20-something years. And our oldest son, Owen, used to be the pancake maker, and then it turned into John Boy. Well, today it's going to be Mama, but I'm going to try these products. Now, these are two products we have on our Amazon influencer page, and the link to that is down below. If you purchase anything from the page or from Amazon using our link, we get a very, very small commission, if you will, for just driving business to Amazon. It's no extra cost to you. But we're going to taste test these items for you. We have already tried them. We know what the outcome is going to be. But today we have the buttermilk Kodiak cakes, power cakes, flapjack and waffle mix, buttermilk flavor. They also have other flavors that I have seen recently at Walmart, I believe, and probably on Amazon as well. But I haven't tried these yet. They've been recommended to me. It's Enjoy Life chocolate, 100% real chocolate morsels, and this is the dark. It only has unsweetened chocolate and cane sugar, no lecithin or any of the bad stuff. It's free from gluten, wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, egg, sesame, sulfites, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, and crustaceans. Okay, why mustard and fish would be in chocolate chips to begin with, I'm sure I don't know. Okay, I have Little Music Man with me today. Can you say hello to our friends?
Hello.
So we have our healthy chocolate chips. We have our Kodiak mix. Now, he's going to help me today.
Woohoo!
Are you close enough to the counter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's your whisk. And it's as simple as mixing. No eggs even. Just 1 cup of Kodiak cake mix and 3/4 cup of water, and cook it, and it's done. We're going to do the whole bag because we can freeze them. We can have them cold as snacks. We can have them left over later. All right, you lightly. It's probably isn't the ideal way to do it, but 1 cup.
A little over 1 cup because a few things dropped it.
2 cups. Like I said, this isn't the ideal way to measure, but 4, it's probably going to be 5 cups, and that's going to be too much. So let's take out, that was 4.
Let's take out 1 cup.
Let's do 3 cups of mix.
Make sure enough some for the next step.
Yeah. All right, we're using 3 cups of mix, and if I had to guess, there's probably about 5 to 5.5 cups of mix in there. So 3 cups of mix and 3/4 cup of water per cup. So that is 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4.
So you do the water, I put it in.
Okay. Okay, we're going to put in our water. Are you going to whisk it? Hold that with your hand.
I do it the other way.
Yeah, I'm looking at it backwards.
Now why I'm whisking, you pour the water.
Okay. So there's 2. Don't splash it everywhere, please. I'm going to get my coconut oil in my pan and get that melting.
I think you need to push it off to the middle.
It'll melt there. I'm using the Bella ceramic non-stick skillet. You can find that as well as everything else, pretty much everything else I'm using today in our Amazon influencer page.
That's what I was...
I just got it everywhere.
It's okay. At least it's some on the towel.
Yeah, you know, that's another good reason to have the towel.
You should
under
start
you.
with that because it all gets stuck up and that thing.
Stuck up. Okay, well, we could put blueberries in this. You could put any kind of fruit in this. Like I said, they make different flavors.
Can I see
All right,
that
it is that.
1 minute so I can push the cooker?
No,
It's not melted.
It's not turned on yet. That is it. So it's easy to have when you're traveling or camping or full-time RVing or living in a tiny home. But see, it's really nice looking. While our coconut oil is heating up, let me tell you, a lot of people are trying to eat more protein lately. And, you know, I think it helps fill up the children, especially when we're leaving for the day, like when we're going to church or when we're going somewhere and we need them to fill up their bellies. So this helps with that. You can also fry an egg or scramble some eggs and add that to the breakfast. But this says it's got 14 grams of protein just by adding water. So the product itself, you have more protein if you replace the water with milk, and you have even more protein if you add an egg. So that's good to know. You can make waffles out of this or pancakes, and there's a recipe on the side for muffins, power cake muffins, and that sounds good.
I have an idea. How about let's put the chocolate chips in the mix?
You could put it in the mix, or you could put it.
I'd rather do it on top because that way they sink in better.
That's fine. So he is the chocolate chip, the designated chocolate chip adder person.